she cares about his money in the city where she's from. Her intention is the paper, she don't need no freaking love. She's spilling all this liquor, trying to pass me all these cups. Oh, baby girl, I'm torn, and somebody should have told her I popped one. Forget I popped one. Oh, girl, I'm on one.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're just gonna do like a quick get ready with me. Whew. And then we're just gonna talk and chit chats. And yeah, this is basically my routine that I'm doing. So here we go. I'm gonna use the the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. I really do like these. Okay, I'm gonna just place it on my eye. Ooh, it's cold. Okay. I cannot wait for this weekend. We're supposed to have 60-degree weather. Oh, it's gonna feel so nice. It's been literally cold, freezing. It's been cold, and it's also been like really raining a lot. Some places was even flooded. So to hear that we have 60 degrees weather coming up this weekend is really nice. I can actually take my daughter out to the park and play. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Milani brow, what is it, brow pomade? Stay Put Brow Color. Okay. Mine's in the shade 03, which is like a medium brown. I really do like that. I actually really do like this. I don't know. I have never tried the Anastasia like brow pomade, but like I've seen pictures of the like actually it being put on. I don't know, it might be a dupe. This might be a dupe for it. I need a eyebrow wax so bad. Do the bottom. Okay. See, I really do like this. Has anyone been following or keeping up or been purchasing anything for the Ulta 21 Beauty Style? I have, and I'm so excited. I really am so excited. I ordered a few things, and I will actually do a Ulta haul for you guys, and so you guys could see what I got in my bag, what I had ordered. It'll be so fun. Some of it is like repurchases, and then some of it is like new that I've never ever tried before, and well, new to me in my collection, I'm gonna say. But speaking of collections, I was thinking about doing maybe like a collections video. I've been wanting to do it for like so long now. Or a declutter video, because I was gonna do both, because there is some stuff I just don't use, or is about to be expired. So there's some stuff I gotta like throw away, and then there's some stuff that I could just use, not me, I can just give away to a friend. So I do that a lot with like stuff that I buy. I'll either give like stuff away, or I'll throw it away if it's gonna be expired, so no makeup goes to waste. So I like to go like, ooh, This is why I had ordered some more. Oh my, I really do love this stuff. This is the by MAC soft. This is the prolonged paint pot in the shade soft ochre. I really, honest to God, love this stuff. I love seeing people's makeup like used so much and like their palette's a little dirty and like used, because then that's how you know like if someone really do like something, because they use it a lot. Okay. Are you playing the mommy's makeup? I know you are. Ooh, my little ring got a little wrinkly. I'm gonna use the Dose of Colors Desi by Katie Friendcation. Yeah, so cute. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna be using this. So I'm gonna go in with this color right here. Shows up. Where are you? Yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing this. So lately I've really been on TikTok. TikTok is so funny. Yeah, TikTok is hilarious. There's this one video, this guy, he was talking about how like women sometimes they'll have like a bad dream of their like spouse or boyfriend or whatever, or girlfriend or whatever, and they'll wake up and then they'll be like so mad with their significant other for the rest of their day. And it was so hilarious to me because I've actually done this. I've actually done this a couple times to my husband, and like throughout the day I'm like, oh my god, what am I doing? Like, what am I doing? Like, this is not right. And then, you know, but I mean, like, it really does put you in some type of way. Like, it really does. And then I'm going to grab my Colourpop in the shade of Wisp. And I'm just going to run that all over, like, right here. Yeah, let's do it. I have no nails on it. And I'm just like, I need to get my nails done and fixed and just looking better, because right now it's not looking better at all. So let's take these off. Woo. Okay, and then just rub that serum all into your skin. Rub those juices all in. There we go. And now these are actually pretty cool. So let me throw these away. So I am gonna go in with the Needles No More Baggage. Seconds. Ooh. Instant magic. Right here. So got a squirt. Okay. my face feels moisturized. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my foundation. Oh, it's a little dirty, but you know, it's okay. Really get into places. I really hope the Villains collection from Colourpop is like not $1 million, cause I probably will not be getting that because I'll be paying it off the rest of my life. You know? I have a foundation brush, just blend it all in. What are you guys picking up for the Ulta 21 Beauty Day sale? I'm so interested. And you guys will know what I'm getting because I'm making a video on it. So, there you go. These. Ooh. This should be like the products I love because I use all the time. I've been loving the Rihanna Fenty Beauty matchsticks. Holy cow. Like, these are so good. I use them pretty much all the time. I use like the concealer part for underneath my eyes. Like that. And then I just drag it down like that. And then my chin. And those two. And then I do this eye. These are so good. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, the shade Mocha. So I'm gonna go right there. And I'm gonna go right there. And then darkening out a little bit right there. So my daughter's been talking like crazy. She's just been talking and talking and talking. I'm just trying to figure out, girl, what are you saying? I don't know what you saying. What did you saying? Sometimes she'll be like mommy, then she'll be like a B, and then she'll be like baby. And I'm like, okay, girl, I see you. Mommy's so proud of you. Mommy just be so proud of you. I just gotta tell my viewers that I'm proud of you. Oh, so gorgeous. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna take my little beauty sponge. I know it's like really dirty. I got to clean it. Please don't judge me. But let me go make this baby bigger by putting water on it. So be right back. Okay, I'm back with this little guy. So I'm just gonna take it and blend in my concealer. There we go. I'm just gonna go in with the MAC bronzer. Okay. Okay. Oh, I look so glowy. Look, and I don't even got no highlighter on. Okay. I look so glowy and just so nice. I love the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. This is like the best layer. And I'm just gonna press this underneath my eye. Yes, this is baking. Okay. So this is how you bake. You want to grab a full thing and then press it underneath your eyes. Press it in the areas that you really want it brighter. That's all that baking does. All that baking does is basically cleans up and just makes it brighter. I'm gonna do my other side. Ooh, yum. So I usually go over like my T-zone areas. Okay. Like I really like this blush right here because it's just so glowy and it's so beautiful. Yes. So always wear just a mascara, eyeliner, and some concealer and a little bit of foundation, and that was pretty much it until I want to say a couple years ago. I want to say like 2 years ago. So I'm gonna use the Hourglass in the shade luminous light. I don't know why I was gonna say luminoso. I'm just like running it all over my face, but I'm not setting anything with this powder. This is gonna have like you're gonna have like a really nice natural glow to it. So you know, I'm gonna go in with the OG MAC in the shade Soft and Gentle. Y'all know this. In the shade Soft and Gentle, the OG MAC highlighter. I still use this. Yes, I do. Highlighter. Yes. Ooh. Gotta get over the brows, and then gotta go on the other side, my cheek area. So last but not least, the e.l.f. I use the e.l.f. liquid matte lipstick. Oh my god, I've been loving this lipstick ever since I got it, ever since the e.l.f. video I had made. And it has like this kind of applicator thingy, but anyways. Ooh, yeah. Last but not least, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe setting spray. This is like the best setting spray I've ever used. Not even joking. If I could only have one setting spray, I would throw away all my setting sprays and just get this one. Look at them. Just look. Just look, like the mister. Like the mister is everything. So this is like my final look. So this is like this is really like my go-to everyday look. All I did was just add some water to my hair, put in some curling cream, and that's pretty much it. Brush it a little bit, and then just do this, and then I'm good to go. But yeah, this is like my everyday go-to look. So I hope you guys really liked this and really enjoyed. I am gonna be doing like definitely a Ulta haul video, so stay tuned for that video. It's gonna be so exciting just to sit down talking with you guys, showing you guys what I bought for the 21 days of Ulta sale. Please comment down below, what are you gonna get, what have you already got, and what do you think I'm gonna get. Let's see if you guys know me. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button, leave me a like, and hit that notification bell so you are notified when I post videos. So thank you guys so much. Bye. Baby girl,